flash flood in Sandy.
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for southern Harrison County in south-central Indiana, Perry County in south-central Indiana, southwestern Spencer County in central Kentucky, Nelson County in central Kentucky, Meade County in central Kentucky, Hancock County in central Kentucky, Lower County in central Kentucky, Grayson County in central Kentucky, Hardin County in central Kentucky, Breckinridge County in central Kentucky, Bullitt County in central Kentucky, Ohio County in central Kentucky, until 7 p.m. or 6 p.m. At 2:54 p.m. or 1:54 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Some locations that will experience flooding include Elizabethtown, Bardstown, Shepherdsville, Tell City, Litchfield, Hodgenville, Hartford, Brandenburg, Hardinsburg, and Pioneer Village. A line of thunderstorms moving into the region easily could dump an additional inch of rainfall over a 30-minute period. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county, Perry, Indiana, and the following counties in Kentucky, Hancock, and Ohio.